Hey guys, Jen. I'm the co-founder of trestique, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our mascara. This product was a huge deal for us as a brand. We spent almost 3 years creating it to add it to our Essential 8. And our Essential 8 routine is basically your 5-minute face in a case. So the mascara was a critical component of this, and we really wanted to get it right, which meant for our brand creating a 2-in-1 product with a built-in lash curler. So when you're shopping on trestique.com, if you want your full face in a case, that's your Essential 8 routine, and that already comes with your mascara. And if you want to choose and customize your products, then I would go for the Essential Mix, which allows you to pick your products and your shades. To make this product correctly, we had to work very closely with our package engineers and manufacturer to get it right so that we have a half lash curler, which allows you to curl as many times as you want across for any eye shape. I love that we created this little window here so that you're able to see your eye and your lashes come through as you press down on the lever. And the mascara is like others inside. And I was a person who actually wore lash extensions for 10 years before using this product. But as you can see, it gives you really defined, lengthened, and voluminous lashes. So you can see this one is done and this one isn't. I'm going to do my second eye. The brush is an hourglass shape, so it's really great at grabbing all the lashes. So this is my finished look. I love using the curler before. It actually, even though it doesn't look like it's curling, really creates that lift that you're looking for. The perfect addition to your 5-minute face. So the formula is really amazing, and we spent a long time creating it. It's 84% natural, it's vegan and cruelty-free, and we tested it in a consumer panel, and it got up to 186% more curve in your lashes. Also, 100% of the participants in our panel said it gave them a lengthening effect, and 85% said it gave them a volumizing effect. And I think the most amazing part of this is that it's so easy to remove with zero flaking or smudging all day. And now that we have this mascara, I think it's sort of the missing piece of the 5-minute face that we were really waiting to create the whole time. And I'm really glad that we didn't give up and we tried for 3 years to make it the trestique way with a built-in patent pending curler.